My name is Jianguang Kodo, and it represents the thunder that comes rolling in from far away, makes a lot of noise, and that's what I intend to do with the rest of my life too.
NOFNEC is a unique opportunity for us. There just is no other place that I know, no other meeting that I have ever been to, where there are so many interesting and worthwhile contacts, important and interesting people. I think that one of the most important roles of NOFNEC that I've seen develop over the last 5, 6, 7 years is attention to climate change, and is putting value on the knowledge of the elders in communities, and some elders go indeed to NOFNEC, putting value on that knowledge and finding ways to splice it with science knowledge.
Remember, Mother Earth who provides us with our medicines, our food, our water, and everything that we need to survive. It's not only us, it's also the white people and their children that are going to suffer in the future, if we have one.
Well, it's a bridge for us from the labs and the classrooms of the university into the communities of the far north. It's always been so interesting because people tell their personal stories. You can discuss personal stories with people. It's not like going to a meeting of bureaucrats or administrators. It's like going to a meeting of your family.
We are in this together, and we're going to have to come out of it together.
At the Northern Ontario First Nations Environment Conference, you will network with professionals from First Nation communities and industry alike, learn about leading-edge environmental technologies, and gain hands-on training for land-based projects in your community. It is a Northern Ontario meeting place for environmental discussion, growth, and connection. To learn more about how you can get involved, please visit our website at nofnec.ca or follow us on Facebook.